How to understand deposits and payment methods on dollar car rental. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. For deposits in dollar car rental, cash rentals, which requires an upfront deposits of cash, are accepted from customers who have obtained a cash deposit identification ID card. So make sure to deposit from cash, you will need a cash deposit identification card. An application for a cash deposit ID cards are available from dollar.com, and applicants must be 20 years of age or older, 18 in Michigan, New York, and the province of Quebec. The application process can take 30 days, except as otherwise required by law, and there is a US $15 non-refundable process fee which offsets the cost to have a modified credit check performed on the applicant. And this is how to understand deposits and payments methods on dollar car rental. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.